editing sound. Once the recorded files have been transferred and the computer, the next step is to understand simple editing. Editing can improve your production. We do this to get the best audio quality out of our recorded audio. Sometimes there are some mistakes or noise during the recording that we need to remove, and we can do this with the audio editing tools with the software. Mixing. Refer to the process of putting multiple layers, the audio together to make one final track or to musically modify an existing track. The sound term mastering refers to the process of optimizing the final track using different mastering elements such as compression, equalization, steel enhancement, and more. So primarily, mixing involves the following tasks. Adjust volume. Listen to your complete program several times and keep adjusting the levels of each track and the different section in each track till you are able to comfortably listen to the entire edit without feeling the need to touch the volume knob to make something louder or reduce its volume. Remove noises. Remove any unwanted noises, all sound that is present in the track, like box on track and except trap. Use quick fade techniques rather than cut to do this. Add ambience. There may be sections that have been recorded in the studio that are edited together without those voice recordings. If an ambient soundtrack is not laid out across the section, there will be a noticeable change in the overall body of the sound, and the list now will feel a jerk at the point where it's been stopped and when it restarts. So, always record ambience and add it to the tracks where required during mixing. Add reverb and other effects. In case you are working on the drama or if you want to enhance the final impression left by a piece of edited audio, you may like to add reverb or echo. This effect is available in several editing softwares using effect. Apart from the 3 stages of production, let's understand about broadcasting. The term broadcasting means the transmission of audio or video content using radio frequency waves. The prime purpose of radio is to convey information from one place to another through the intervening media without wires. The electromagnetic energy, which is a mixture of electricity and magnetism, travels past you in waves like those on the surface of the ocean. These are called radio waves. There are generally 2 types of transmission modes available for radio: satellite and terrestrial broadcast. Broadcasting delivered by the means of communication satellite and received by a satellite dish and set-top box. Terrestrial broadcasting is a type of broadcast where signal is transmitted over the air to an antenna. 2 modes under this are amplitude modulation (AM) and frequency modulation (FM). Internet radio. Many radio stations are now using online streaming audio services to provide a simulated broadcast on their over-the-air signals to web listeners. A broadcaster may also offer additional online audio streams that are repurposed, time-shifted, or completely different from their on-air services. Unlike over-the-air broadcasting, web distribution is delivered to end users by the third-party telecommunication providers on a nationwide or worldwide basis. Nowadays, All India Radio and all FM channels such as Red FM, Radio Mirchi, FM Gold, etc. have their internet radio also. In addition to there are internet radio focusing on religious and spiritual talk. Podcast. The word podcast comes from combining iPod and broadcast. Ben Hemmersley is the creator of podcast. The main difference between podcast and broadcast is that broadcast is usually live, controlled from the studio, and broadcast is pre-recorded. Feedback. After your program is broadcasted, next step is of feedback. It is a process of getting response from the listeners to improve the content, processes, and community participation. The feedback can be in the form of letters, phone calls, SMS and emails, etc. Creating a feedback process is the only way to strengthen your bond with listeners. That is all we have for you today. We hope you enjoyed this session. See you again. Till then, thank you and namaskar.